Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you doing?
I'm great.
Great. After that, this week is your final exam week. How is it? Stressful. Okay. Oh my God. I hope it came out very well. Okay. So before we start the lesson, let us begin with a short prayer. Who would like to lead the prayer? Jafar. Okay. Okay, thank you, Zafar. So, before we begin, let me ask you a question. So, what Indonesian musical instrument do you know? Angklung. What else? Indonesian. Gamelan. Suling. Sasando. Okay. That's great, good. So, imagine you are talking to a foreigner, tahu foreigner? Orang asing ya, who has never seen Indonesian musical instrument before. And then if they ask you, how do you play it? And what would you say? So, alright, so today we are going to practice giving instruction in English, and our topic is how to play an Indonesian instrument, which is musical instrument, and we will focus on organizing your explanation clearly. So now I will show you a short tutorial video, and while watching, please focus on the expression and the verbnya ya. And so let's watch the video.
Good morning, girls. I understand you both want to learn how to play the violin. What made you decide on this beautiful instrument?
It sounded
Wanted to do it, right? Well, we're going to talk about how you can make beautiful music on this violin. You want to do that? Okay. Well, the first thing we have to know how to hold it, right? So, let me show you. We're going to take our violin by the neck, we're going to hold it in our left hand. Okay, you want to try that? Good. Now we're going to flip it up and put it on our left shoulder and put our chin right down on the chin rest. Good. That was beautiful. And we're going to hold it with our chin and our shoulder. We have a nice little pad under there to help us do that. And then our left hand, we're going to rest it on the shoulder of the violin. Can you pitch find your shoulder? There. Oh, that was beautiful. Now we have another part that goes with the violin. What's this called? You guys know what it's called? That's the bow. And the bow has, what is that made of? Do you remember? Horsetail hair. And the hair is going to pull across the string, and that's what's going to make the violin vibrate. That's how we're going to make it sound beautiful. So we have a special way to hold the bow. The first thing is we're going to we're holding our left hand with the violin, and now we're going to take our right hand and put our thumb underneath and our fingers on top, and your bow hand is going to look like that. Now the most important finger is our pinky finger. We want the pinky to stay on top of the bow when we hold it. Okay, can you see you do that? So we put our thumb and our fingers and our pinky. Oh, that was beautiful. And let's put our bow right on the violin string, on the very first one on the top. This very skinny string at the very top is the highest string. It's called E. And we're going to pull our arm back and forth across the E string to make it vibrate. Okay, we try that together. Ready? E, E, good, E, E. Very nice. Now stop the bow and move it over one string, and that's called A. We're going to do 4 A's. Ready? A, A. Oh, that's beautiful. Good. Now stop the bow and move it over one. Now do you notice your bow arm is going up, right? As your bow goes lower on the violin, your bow arm goes up and down across the strings. Good. We're going to start on the D. Now we went to E to A, and the next string is D. Okay, ready? 4 D's, ready, and D, D. Oh, beautiful. Good. And stop the bow and go to the very lowest string, G. Okay, pull your arm all the way out. Ready? G, G. Oh, that sounds beautiful.
Okay, so that's the video. So what is the video about?
how to play
Violin. What is violin? Viola. Okay, so who is the video made for? Is it beginner or experienced? Beginner. It's very simple instruction. So what instructional expression did you hear from the video? Can you mention? Oke, so instructional expression itu adalah ketika kalian menjelaskan, kalian pasti butuh instructional expression. Jadi kayak Pertama-tama, setelah itu, finally, kemudian, nah, kita juga menggunakan yang seperti itu di dalam bahasa Inggris. Ada apa aja? Kalian dengar nggak? First, second, apa second artinya? Next, kemudian, then, after that, okay, great. And then in the tutorial video, we use action verbs. Apa itu action verbs? Aksi. Jadi dia kata kerjanya menggunakan kata kerja aksi dan menggunakan simple present. Kalian bisa nyebutkan satu kata kerja mungkin? Di sini. Coba kita dengerin lagi ya.
Okay, we're gonna take our violin.
Barusan? Take. Apa itu take? Ambil, dipegang ya. Kemudian?
By the neck, we're gonna hold it in our left hand.
Hold. Hold itu? Dipegang.
Okay, you wanna try that? Good. Now, we're gonna flip it up and put it on our
Put it on.
left shoulder and put our chin right down on the chin rest. We have that nice little pad under there of the violin. Can you get, now we have another part that goes with the violin. What's this called? You guys know what that's made out of? Do you remember? Horse. That's what's gonna make the violin butt the bow. The first thing is we're gonna
Barusan expression apa yang digunakan? First. Okay.
we are holding our left hand with the violin, and now we're going to take our right hand and put our thumb.
Ada take, ada place, dan lain-lain ya. So, what are you going to do is kalian akan membuat video tutorial seperti ini menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Jadi kalian akan membuat video tutorial, tapi alat musiknya itu alat musik Indonesia. Gitu. Jadi kalian memperkenalkan alat musik Indonesia kepada khalayak yang lebih luas. Oke. Jadi kalian terserah bebas alat musiknya mau apa aja. Boleh, tadi ada apa? Seruling, gendang, gamelan, gong ya. And so now I want you guys to to prepare your own outline for speaking. So, apa itu outline? Outline is a simple plan of what are you going to say that helps you to explain the steps clearly and in order. So I will give you about 5 minutes, maybe. Jadi kalian tentukan apanya dulu, alat musiknya, kemudian langkah-langkahnya kalian bisa ya tentuin pakai bahasa Indonesia dulu, kemudian diubah menjadi bahasa Inggris. Kalau misalkan mau pakai seruling, alat musiknya mau seruling, harus diapain tuh serulingnya? Di hold. And then tiup bahasa Inggrisnya? Blow. Blow. Terus ada apa lagi? Hold. Yang pertama, langkah-langkah pertama itu pasti untuk memposisikan alat musiknya dulu. Baru kemudian langkah-langkah selanjutnya. Oke? 5 minutes begin from now. Okay, have you finished? Yes. So now you can use your outline to explain how to play the instrument. But you have to explain it with your friends. Jadi kalian akan melakukan pair activity bersama teman kalian untuk menjelaskan outline-nya, oke? 10 menit cukup? Cukup, oke. 10 menit mulai dari sekarang. Wait. Do you have any difficulties? No. Tadi Tiup bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Belum. Bukan fuh ya. Oke. Okay, have you guys done? Yes. Okay, so before we close the lesson, do you have any difficulties? No? Any question? Okay. So before we end the lesson, let us review. So what have we learned today?
How to play violin.
To give instruction.
How to give instruction in English. You guys have kalian juga udah buat outline. So what you have to do next?
Buat video.
What video?
English instruction.
Instrumennya pakai instrumen Indonesian instrument. That's great. Okay. And so kalian akan membuat video instruction. Berapa ya? Sekitar 3 atau 5 menit aja udah cukup dan diupload di YouTube. Deadline-nya minggu depan cukup? Cukup. Oke. Kalau gitu, let's close this lesson by saying hamdalah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.